Meet someone very special. This is Lotus the Turtle! Lotus is a little turtle with a big heart. He's here to help us learn all about feelings, focus, and how to handle those big emotions. Sometimes, when Lotus feels overwhelmed, he takes a deep breath and gives himself a moment to think. He plays kindly with his friends and uses words to let them know how he feels. He also listens to them when they talk about their feelings. Lotus reminds us it's okay to feel big things. It's okay to slow down, and it's always okay to try again. Lotus the turtle will be here every week, helping us grow our hearts and our smiles.